You want to be a successful day trader by following the risk management. Why? Because you're having a great strategy that is giving you some good profits, but due to your bad risk management, all your profits are going again to the market, and you are not able to take money to your home by the end of the month. This video is for you, and if you watch this video you will know what is the solution to the risk management and how exactly you can do the risk management, what are the benefits by following the risk management rules, and what you should do to inculcate the habit of risk management. Everything will be discussed in this video. Let's get into the video here, and I'm having these things to manage your risk. For becoming a successful day trader, you should concentrate on psychology, logical trading strategies, and the risk management plan. The psychology and the risk management plan both are like twins which are who are attached at the time of birth. We can't divide both of them individually. Why? Because they will not survive. If you wanted to be a successful profitable trader, you should treat psychology and the risk management as the attached twins, and let's discuss about all these things here. Now imagine these three risk management areas are like a stool which is having the trading strategies, psychology, and risk management plan. If you take one of the leg of this stool, what will happen? Exactly the same thing will happen to your trading profits as a successful day trader. Why? Because when you take one of these out, then all your profits will go, and you don't know why this is happening to you. Why? Because the trading strategies are here for with you, which are you know that they are proven trading strategies, and everything is good. Why you are not making money? What is the way to make money? Why? Because you are neglecting one of these stool legs. Okay? Once you understand this thing, you will inculcate a habit of trading strategies plus psychology plus risk management in your trading style. Most of the traders only interested in trading strategies. Yes, they interested in trading strategies only. They don't bother about the psychology, risk management like that. What you have to do is you have to aim for the risk management along with the psychology with the trading strategies. This is the complete set which can give you profitable trading career. Okay, let's discuss the psychology in the risk management plan. Why? Because this is a attached twin. Okay, now let's discuss what is logical trading strategies here. Okay, it is strategy which is having the positive expectancy. That means when you learn a system, that system should have less losses and high profits by the end of the month or by the end of the week. This is called positive expectancy. For example, I am using CPR pivot points. Let me show you. I am a CPR pivot point trader, and I know that the positive expectancy lies at the CPR. When the trend is uptrend, when I stay at the CPR, this is the CPR, I am going to get positive expectancy by the end of the month. And I have done some backtesting videos with just one strategy of CPR pivot points. At first, it may seem like the strategy is failing and it is giving you losses, but at the end of the month, if you follow any index or any stock, you are going to be profitable, which is above 10%. This is true. If you want to know about this, you can watch my video of backtesting for July in Nifty. Okay, now this is the place I want to take the trade, and I know that this place is having the high positive expectancy, because when price comes here, the traders will definitely act upon these levels, and I know that by using the leading indicator of CPR pivot points, I will be ahead of the crowd entering into the markets. And let's go to the here. Let's go here and see what else we can discuss? Good risk reward. Yes, more profits and less rewards, in the sense this is good risk reward. I'll show you what is the exact risk reward I follow when I take the trade at the CPR. See here, this is the CPR, and if we take the CPR trades at the CPR, like here, we have to put our stop losses here, and we aim for the next pivot, or this. Okay, this is our target, and this first line will be our entry. See, when you enter like this and you minimize your losses and maximize your profits, out of 10 trades, okay, only 5 trades are successful also, you can make money. Yes, you can make money, but it needs lot of discipline, lot of courage to stick to your plan. Okay, now see, what is the risk management plan here? You have to keep this in mind and write it somewhere. You have to trade to live to play another day. That means if you are doing all the things as per your plan, and the market take your stop losses and again going in your direction, what will you do? What will you do? If the candle is a small candle, then you can enter. If it is a big candle, okay, if it is a big candle, for example, you know that the price will fall from here, okay, the price will fall from here, and at this point you enter the trade. Okay, your stop loss here, your entry here, and you know you will take your profits here. Okay, you entered here, but the trade, the price comes here and took your stop loss at this point, and you exhausted that, the price has taken, the stop loss has taken, and you feel sad about it. And after knowing that this big candle, if you enter at this candle, what would it happen? What will happen? The risk is high, the reward is low. Okay, as it is approaching near to the next pivot, there are chances to the bounce back. So, when you apply a plan, risk reward is really essential. When the market takes your stop loss, just stay away from the markets. Don't be like doing over trading, just frustrating, not like that. If you are trading with your feelings or emotions, you will not survive. And it's a common inclination. See, it's a common inclination to accept the profits early. When you are seeing the profits of just 2000, 3000, you tend to take your profits very fast. I know what I am saying. If you are one among them, please comment in the comment box that I am also like that. Okay, now waiting to, this is the another case, you wait to break even in losing trades. You know you have entered the markets, and it is going against your way. You know it is clearly showing that today the trade is not yours. It is going to hit your stop loss, but what you do, you wait to the price to come to the break even, which doesn't happen many times. So even though you know that this is a losing trade, you don't pull the trigger and you wait the price or the negative balance to come to the positive balance. Okay, this is the common inclination. When you act upon at that situation and you are spontaneously taking the decisions, then you will be thrive in the you will be thriving in the stock market day trading. Okay, whoever mentor you are teaching, whatever book you are reading, the complete outcome depends on you. If you are willing to risk high and earn high, this is your psychology. Okay, the complete outcome will depend on you, not any book or any mentor. The books and mentors are helping you to reduce your learning curve, not to be profitable. The profitable thing completely in your hands. Okay, learning And when you have doubts, you can refer to the books, you can go to your mentors, like that. When you are, once you understand the strategies, the psychology, everything is in your hands, whether you are profitable or not profitable. Okay, when you are in good profits, when you trail your stop losses, you have the mindset that I will secure my profits. When you don't trail your stop loss, even though you are in good profits, that is in your hands, right? You have the ability to trail your stop losses, but you don't do it. Now, by the time you understand this risk management, what happens here is your account damages, okay, and you understand the overall concepts of the psychology, logical trading strategies, risk management plan, and you afraid to take the trades. Even though you have everything within me, you afraid to take the trades, you afraid to push the button over there. And you see that on that day your profits are running, but you are not in the trade. This is called self discipline. Okay, and the solution is stick to the rules, plan your trades. Not if it is not going your way, just you have to think like this is called the psychology part, and you admit that you were wrong and the setup isn't ready yet, or I'm going to get out of the way. You have to think like this. If you don't think like this and keep on frustrating about the markets, thinking all the losses over there, see, losses are inevitable in day trading, but you have to overcome the losses with your high profits. That is called positive expectancy. Like this is the positive expectancy. Now let's come here. See, the main cause of the failure of many traders is this: they don't have the self discipline. Okay, searching for another 100% profitable strategy, which is not there in the markets. Any strategy has some high profitability, but no loss strategy is not there in the markets, even if you are learning about 100 strategies. Okay, 100 different indicators. You are the only reason for your failure. Everything is in your hands. You are not coming out of your comfort zone. You are just having the victim mindset that market is taking all the money away from you. It's not like that. If you control yourself, everything will be in your control. Okay, the solution, the everything why you are watching this is you want the solution, right? The solution is, when you want to be a profitable trader, do this. Determine your per day loss. For example, if you are willing to give the markets 5,000 rupees, because when it triggers your 5,000 loss, you can get out of the market and stay away from the monitors over there. Take strategies with positive expectancy. Like I have shown you in the example of CPR pivot points. When you enter at the CPR, even though sometimes it triggers your stop losses, there is a positive expectancy. By the end of the month, you can make money. The one thing here is you have to stay positive, and you know that these staying positive, everything comes from the back testing. Even though that strategy is not showing up for 1 month, don't be afraid to take the trades, because this is the process, right? When you jump into another strategy, also that strategy is also having the losing streak. The strategies, the markets have the losing phases, positive phases, uptrend phases, downtrend phases. That's why I always say that when you enter the markets, be there with the small lots for a period of time to experience the highs and lows and uncertainties in the markets. Once you understand them and you put everything in the paper, revising everything like a trading journal every day, you will understand what are the cycles in the market, what are the types of the trades in the market, and see, one important thing I want to tell you here is the unexpected will occur. This is the name of the game. Yes, this is an uncertain game. You have to choose your certainty in this big uncertain world. Okay? If you want to prove you are right, market will prove you that you are wrong. Don't prove to the market that you are right. You are here to make money, not to prove yourself that you are right. Okay? The profession is trading, not predicting. When you this is also again a hypothetical question that we always have the plan to predict the market where it goes. Yes, we always have the plan to predict, but we don't have that conviction that market should do this, do that, like that. Okay, trade your plan, not your emotions. When you trade your plan, you know that the market is not in a giving mode to you. Okay, and you have lost 5,000 rupees, you stay out of the markets. When you trade with emotions, what you do is you overtrade. You accept the market is in a different mode. Okay, don't overtrade, accept the market is in a different mode. When you inculcate the habit of all these things, trust me, you will be in profits. There is no other way. You have to survive in the market, that's it. For few months, few years, you have to survive in the market. And let's meet in another educational video. If you like this content, you can share this in your trading community. If you want to approach me, I will give you the mail ID in the description, and the course, level 1 course link, which you want to learn from me, the CPR pivot point system. I will definitely give this in the link. Please approach me. Thank you so much for watching my videos.